that's what you want, especially when you did find just a little bit of swirl. The bottom side of the leaves is where all the nutrients are taken up. That's where the insects are going to hit first. That's where the disease is going to set in. To penetrate through vine crops, you have to have a good fine mist and a high pressure. Okay, we've got another sprayer coming to us. We're pulling it with Darla the Halflinger, 15-year-old Halflinger from home. 55-gallon compact produce sprayer from Iva. This is the Iva 55, and it sells for $2,667 from Iva Manufacturing. Seat of the cart, you'll raise and lower that boom. You can swing that out from the seat of the cart. Another safety feature some of us don't have as well built horses as Edwin's driving right there, so this is one of the features that I really love. This sprayer is the Deluxe. This is the Cadillac of all produce sprayers that I'm aware of. Are you timing it? There you go. He's got her folded out now. He can raise and lower it. He can also tilt it to level it out. High pressure spray. Look at that fog he's going to make. That is one quality, well-built sprayer from Iva Manufacturing in Pennsylvania. Look at the fog he's making there. It's going to swirl around. It's going to get the bottom side of the leaves. That's where all the nutrients are taken up in. That's where the disease is going to set in first. And this sprayer is headed for Pennsylvania at noon if it's not sold. So if you're interested, get in there quick. Usually we like to have our driveways rolled out a little bit better than that.